In this video you will learn how Redis counters work, why they are safe under concurrency, and what to watch for when reviewing code that uses them. Whenever you need a fast, shared counter, page views, rate limit buckets, stock levels, INCR is your tool. You do not need to create the key first. Redis initializes it to 0 automatically. Redis is single-threaded for command execution, so INCR reads, increments, and writes as one indivisible step. Two clients calling INCR simultaneously will never both read the same old value. There is no race condition. Watch what happens when we call INCR on a key that does not exist yet. Redis returns 1, meaning it started from 0. Each subsequent INCR steps the value up by 1, and INCRBY lets us jump by any amount. When reviewing a pull request, the biggest red flag is a get, followed by a set to increment, that is a race condition. Also check that expiring counters have a TTL set, and that the key does not already hold a non-integer value. Remember, INCR is atomic, self-initializing, and the only correct way to increment a shared counter in Redis. If you see a get followed by a set in a PR, flag it, that is a bug waiting to happen.